Welcome to Putin. We specialize in the design and manufacture of high-quality electric cargo tricycles. Our electric cargo tricycles, with their rugged design, are built for efficient transport. We incorporate state-of-the-art manufacturing processes to ensure superior performance and longevity in every vehicle. The spacious cabin and strong carrying capacity allow you to easily cope with all kinds of cargo needs. Featuring a highly efficient electric system, it provides you with a longer range and consistent power performance. Whether it's urban distribution or rural transport, our electric tricycles can handle it all and help you improve your efficiency. Choose Putin. Choose the efficient and safe electric cargo tricycle. Contact us now for more information.